Discord game overlay is insane, bro. Today I show you how to enable and how to use it. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, when you open your Discord today like me and make new update on Discord, go here check for updates, you will get this new Discord update. After you do this, go on this gear, click on it, move here down and you will see game overlay. Click this. If you don't have enable it, just enable it like me. And you will see here game. If you in game, you will see here enable overlay, just switch this on and enable legacy overlay. What is here new and how to use it? Go here toggle overlay lock, choose your favorite key. I type 8. You can also here use compatibility mode, enable overlay clickable regions. Switch this on. Go here voice widget, make it your own, how you love it. I choose like this, small, always, and display users, make it always. Message, you can here enable notification, just switch this on. And you will see here go live, switch this on too. You can here customize your settings and customize your window. When you switch this on and turn this on like me, go back in your game to check this out. When you game like me, the game look like this. But if you press your toggle overlay lock like me, I choose 8, it look like this. You can now customize this. I choose like this, notification and voice. In voice I see my friends, in notification I can check my chat and answer my message. Also you can check this. You can now turn fast your microphone and you can define now. Also you can disconnect, this is the coolest way from this all. Also you can set here your friends, what they playing and their activities. You can set this like me. You have your camera, if you turn your camera it will be available here. And your friend's camera also will be here. When someone is playing game or sharing screen on Discord, you will see their screen here. I find this update so cool, you can here customize on your own. Tell me in comments what you think about guys of this new update on Discord. I still love it and it's amazing update. And that's it all guys for this video, how to see and how to enable game overlay update in Discord. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and support me UFO187 in item shop and join to our Discord. Bye guys.